Here's Marianne, Josephine, Marianne, Jebediah. Here we go on our bicycles. I love the Amish. A little snap, snap. Give us a snap, would you, Snapper? Come on, give us a little snap, would you? Come on, Mr. Snap, snap. See you later, Snapper. So we parked the Jeep right off the side of the road here. Just a little spot. Somebody needs to come pick this up. Others need to quit putting it down. But this is the spot for now. I was fishing over there earlier. I didn't do anything. I had to fight hard for this sheephead, and guess what? I'm gonna keep his ass. Mama and her little baby over there. Probably come right back up. Of course you say that and they take a dive. Probably like 30, 40 feet deep. Snagged that one right up underneath his lip. Yeah, it's not looking good for me. I tell you what, I was down there eating shrimps and next thing I know. Nah, for real though, this is a nice one. Yeah, we'll take them. Pretty fish. There's a big bull shark that keeps swimming by. I've seen him come through here once and over on that side twice. Got a little snap, little flying fish. Yeah, that bull shark though, man, that was cool. He's like, I don't know, 8 or 9 feet. Real big one. Just cruising right along the edge. The sheephead are running right through here. I don't know if you guys just saw him come up or not. There's one straight down. There's that big bull shark down there. He's deeper this time than he has been coming. I don't know if you can tell. He just went around. That was cool. See if he comes back. There's the sheepers. That one has like 0 stripes on them. Last time, there's a couple more. Last time they brought that bull shark in, so I'll keep recording for a second and see if he pops back up. One time he came right up and like did a sideways maneuver up against the wall. Pretty cool. It's been tough fishing today. What do you know, a keeper snapper. Well, geez Louise, good thing I still had him hooked. Just filleted up all my fish. I think I might do a little catch, clean, cook tonight, so I'm headed home.